Welcome to the new class of acids, bases and salts. In the last class, we have already established the nature of these solutions by using a natural indicator litmus. In this class, we are going to observe the magical effect of two synthetic indicators, methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Before starting the class, let me write a message. For writing this message, I am using detergent solution. So let me write that message. So this is our message and we will come to it later. Starting our class with the test solution water. So this is water and I have to use two indicators for it. First one is methyl orange and another one is phenolphthalein. So let's start our activity by using the indicator methyl orange. This is methyl orange. I am going to add it to water. Let us see what happens. You may observe the color is orange. So I may write down the color. The color is orange. Now I am going to add phenolphthalein to this water. You may observe the color remains colorless. So it is colorless. The reason I have used water is that water is neutral as we have established by using litmus. The reason why I have used water is that I just want to know the original color of methyl orange and phenolphthalein, because we know that an indicator does not produce any effect on a neutral solution, and the solution which is neither acidic nor basic is a neutral solution and water is a neutral solution. Now I am going to take lemon juice. This is our This is our lemon juice, and to this first I am going to add our methyl orange. You may observe the changes. You may observe that when methyl orange is added to the lemon juice, which is acidic in nature, the color has changed to red. Yes, it is a nice red color. We may note down this observation. So this is this becomes red. To the same lemon juice, I am now going to add our next indicator, which is phenolphthalein. So you may see that when phenolphthalein is added to the lemon juice, there is no effect and the color remains colorless. It is colorless. Now, this is our vinegar. To this, I am going to add methyl orange. You may notice that the color is nicely changing to a red color when methyl orange is added to vinegar. So, noting down our observation, the color becomes red. To the same vinegar, now I am going to add phenolphthalein. So, when I am adding phenolphthalein to the vinegar, which is acidic in nature, you may observe that there is no effect and there is no change in color. You may notice there is no effect on this solution. So, it is again colorless. Now, I have mixed baking soda to water and made a solution of baking soda. Now, I am testing it with methyl orange and you have to observe what change it produces. You may notice that when methyl orange is added to sodium bicarbonate or baking soda solution, the color had changed to nice yellow. It becomes yellow. Now, to this baking soda solution, now I am going to add phenolphthalein. You may observe if there is any change in color produced. You may see the color has become very lightly pink or almost no effect. Yes, color has been almost unchanged when I am adding phenolphthalein to this baking soda solution. The other solution which I am going to take is the detergent solution, which I have made by adding detergent to the water. Now I am taking methyl orange and adding to it. You may notice the change in color. You may notice that The color of methyl orange, which was originally orange, has been changed to yellow. So, noting down our observation. Color becomes yellow. Now, I am going to add this phenolphthalein to this soap solution, and you may notice what change it produces. You may notice that the color has been changed to a pink color. So, this is your pink color. Detergent has settled at the bottom. So, you may see it has come to a very nice pink color. So, when I am adding phenolphthalein to soap solution, it becomes a nice pink color. Noting down our observation. Color becomes pink. Can we test with some other solution? Okay, now I am going to take shampoo solution. For making this shampoo solution, I am adding the contents from this shampoo to the water, and then I will mix that. I am going to give it a stir. This is our shampoo solution. Now, I will need to divide into two parts. Now, I am going to use methyl orange to see the effect produced. So, when I am adding methyl orange, you may notice the change in color. You may notice the nice yellow color produced when methyl orange is added to the shampoo solution. The color becomes yellow. And what would happen if I add phenolphthalein to this shampoo solution? There is no effect produced here. You may see. No, there is no effect produced on shampoo solution. So, if we want to summarize our activities, we see that This was the original color of methyl orange produced in water, which was turned into nice red color when it was added to any acid like lemon juice or vinegar. You may compare them. So, orange color was changed to red when it was added to any acid. But this was the original color of phenolphthalein produced in water, and when it was added to any acids the color did not change. You may observe when phenolphthalein was added to any acids the color did not change, but this phenolphthalein has produced different effects on different bases. For example, now very light pink color has come into sodium bicarbonate. So, we may note down our observation. Sodium bicarbonate colorless to light pink. So, if we see the effect of phenolphthalein on different bases on shampoo solution, there was no effect at all. If we see the sodium bicarbonate solution, the color is very light pink, and if it happens to be a soap solution, the color is very nice pink. So, phenolphthalein produces different effect on different bases, and methyl orange produce the same effect on all the bases. In all the bases it has produced the nice yellow color. Now, I want to conclude today's session by using this solution. Life is good. For writing this, first of all, I have used the detergent solution, and when it dried up, I used phenolphthalein, which was a colorless indicator which showed its effect in the presence of a strong base like that of sodium hydroxide present in detergent solution. So, this is all about today's class. I just want to tell you, life is always good. If you face challenges, then also it is good, because challenges make you strong, and again life is good. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my class.